Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. A 4 GHz Wi-Fi network and the network password, because most plugs never join 5 GHz. Once those are set, plug the device in and watch the LED behavior. Blinking usually means ready. Now open the maker's app and tap Add Device. You're initiating a local Wi-Fi handshake. The app will scan and prompt you to select the network. Make sure your phone is on the same network before proceeding, so the app can communicate with the plug. You now focus on the app's connection flow. Select the 4 GHz SSID and enter the password exactly, because one wrong character prevents the handshake. If the plug isn't blinking the correct pattern, perform a quick reset by holding the button for the specified seconds. That forces it into pairing mode. Once you submit credentials, the app will attempt to push settings to the plug. This may take 20 to 40 seconds. When the app confirms, give the plug a descriptive name so you can find it fast. You finish by validating control. Toggle the plug in the app to confirm responsive switching and run any schedules you plan to use. If you intend to use voice commands, link the maker's skill or service in your voice assistant and discover devices. Should something go wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Perform a full factory reset on the plug, reboot your router and phone, then repeat the pairing sequence. Many failures stem from cached network states or an incorrect frequency band, so this usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.